Action.
Hi, my name is Mingana, Nangolo, your central Folio Realtor, and today I'm at this gorgeous, marvelous, stunning house. It's a Mediterranean style, beautiful home. It's a 3-car garage. I mean, just look at the mindful style that they put into this home. It's in Rockledge, right off USA 1. You do have access to the canal, but not direct. You would have to place your boat in the public area in order for you to have access to the canal, but the canal is there, it's not far, and you can get access to it. I want you to come on in because this home is gorgeous, and you know we live in Florida, so sweat is all over us. But come on in because this video is for the home, not for me. And as soon as you come in, you're greeted by this beautiful welcoming area here, which is a nice guest area. And if you come over on this side, you have a nice office space, baby space, gym, whatever you want to make out of it. It's there, it's ready for you. And then over here, as soon as we enter, we have this beautiful, marvelous master bedroom. Look at this. Look at all the windows that are in this master bedroom. You have the alarm system here as well, and the AC just for your for here. You have his and hers closet, or your closet, okay? Both are your closets. This is towels. You can come on here, put your towels, and a nice private toilet. You can close the door, use the toilet. Nice bathtub, again, nice to soak in after a long day's work. Vanity, again, his and hers or yours alone, doesn't matter. I mean, you live your best life, life is short, YOLO. And then over here, you have one on the side, one on the ceiling. Look at that, fabulous. You're gonna have a good time in the shower, you know, all that good things. So again, this is the master bedroom. You get to enjoy all of this beautiful features and upgrades that it has. This home is only listed at 917, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, over 3,200 square foot. And if you come all the way over here, I hope everybody's having a blessed and beautiful day. But if you come over here, you have a nice, comfortable pool. Nothing too much, nothing too crazy, just a nice Florida pool for you to enjoy. Summertime, it's brutal here, so you always want to splash and have a good time as well. So if you keep coming, all of these are sliding doors that move all the way to the 3. Here again, another nice patio area for your barbecue, for friends and family and all that great stuff. And then we'll be moving in through this side. Look at the floors, no carpet, all engineered wood, dark brown. Again, this is already stationed for you, beautiful home. This is a mini master bedroom, and I really want you to schedule your own private tour to come actually and take a look at this home. It's really beautiful. Again, this home is in Rockledge, Florida. It's a beautiful home. This has its own master bedroom. What happened? Oh, sorry. It has its own master bedroom. I'm gonna put my phone right there. If you keep walking, my cameraman was like, your phone. Again, you have this room here. You have the other third bathroom here, which has a bathtub. His and has vanity, as well as another bedroom on this side. Very high ceilings. Again, come on, we're not done, we're not finished, we just started. And then again, this you can call this the breakfast nook, you can call this the dining area, whatever you call it. It's your house, do whatever you want to do with it. This is the dishwasher, washing dishes while you're watching movies, watching people play in the pool. This is the stove, beautiful, beautiful stove. And then this is again another area where you can bake, microwave, grill some chicken, bake some chicken for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and all that good stuff. This is a pantry, engineered cabinets. These engineered cabinets are everywhere in the property. Not only are they in the cabinetry, but they're also in the closets. Not this specific, but of course the closet type. This over here is the garage, the laundry room, and another space there just to put your stuff. And if you keep following me, we're coming to the end of the video. Again, my name is Mingana Nangolo. I'm your Central Florida Realtor, and today we are in Rockledge showing you this beautiful 970,000 home, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, over 300 3,200 square foot. If you're interested in this home or any other home in Brevard County, Orange County, Seminole County, Osceola County, please give me a call at 407-209-8380. Talk to you soon. Bye.